Hi, everyone. It's Pete Carmasino with Chaikin Analytics, and we are doing another stock spotlight. But before we do, a disclaimer. We're not advisors. We're not broker dealers. We are not registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission or any regulatory authority. So this is not advice. It should not be taken as advice. It's just here to show you how our system works, and it's for informational purposes and educational purposes as well. Thanks so much. Today's stock is Cisco Systems. So as we do each and every time, let's get right to the chart. Cisco Systems, an old name that is catching some major interest lately. You can see there's a lot of news on it. It's been a favorite in the last several months. People are talking about it. It is lagging the market slightly, but relative strength versus the SPY has actually stayed strong for many months. It has small pullback here in the recent days, but look at the turnaround here. So what did that do on our system? Well, that gave us an opportunity because we have a checklist that sort of measures everything on our indication pages here, our indicator pages, and that was oversold. So when you get this move down, our oversold sets up, if our relative strength, our power gauge, our money flow, and everything else is in order, which it was, this was a great name to start taking a look at, even though we've got an early signal on here. So there still may be opportunity in Cisco. Again, if I look at a 5-year chart, I've been saying lately, it's a good idea to zoom out and see where the stock has been and potentially what your upside might look like. Hard to say. But you look at the stock, it's changing trend. The relative strength is strong. The money flow is enormous here and tailed off slightly, but still positive. And we've got a bullish power gauge rating. So what does that mean? That's a 20-factor rating that looks at several categories, these 4, and each category has sub-factors, 5 each. Adds up to 20. We give you some information on earnings, what's going on in the future, or what the expectations are, I should say. It's got a beta under 1, which is interesting for Cisco. And it talks about market cap, revenue, PE, and a yield of almost 3%, better than most of the treasuries, if not all of the treasuries. You can see what experts are saying about it and what the opportunity is here. So why am I showing you this? Well, it's an opportunity for you to come try out our system on a trial. So how do you do that? It's chaikinanalytics.com/stock spotlight each and every time. Go there, take it for a test drive. It's 14 days for free. You get everything. You get all the absolute features and benefits that every member gets, but for free for 2 weeks. A lot of our new members came in this way. They like it after they see it. You get the newsletters, you get the commentary, you get the workshops, you get the tutorials, you get everything. There's no cost, no obligation up front, no credit card. Take advantage of it. ChaikinAnalytics.com/stock spotlight. Follow me on Twitter. On Twitter there at Pete Carmasino, at Pete Carmasino. Thanks again for tuning in. See you real soon.